editions, and we're gonna have original size and the half a size. You get to collect, and then limited editions. It's gonna be 2,000 of them, of each 2,000 paintings. It's gonna be 4 million, but this is an international brand that we're building, so this is nothing compared to the kind of audience we are trying to reach. Let me just share you this. This is probably our 14th meeting that we have done, okay? Imagine that you're in the Steve Jobs garage. That's where you are right now. Imagine if you saw the movie that somebody wrote a big check. Last couple of weeks, somebody wrote a $10 million check to us that want to fund this to take this to the next level. That's where we are right now. So you guys are the beginning of the beginning, individuals. So the NFTs, what is NFT? It's called non-fungible token. Basically, in the art world, those people that understand art, that collect art for the love of art or for increasing value, same concept happened in the digital format. Those people that are very aware of the crypto, the Bitcoin, and all those currency, NFT is becoming the next big thing. Richard is going to share that. So, at an individual digital format, we have released each 2,000 paintings. We're going to have a digital format. And how does that look like? It looks like this. The original, where in the map it is located, where the whole story is going to be around it. So that's the digital format, the India, all the flags. Like for example, that painting right here is this painting. This painting right there, which is the heart, is this. So you're going to have this whole digital design. It's going to be a non-fungible token that you collected, and there's billions and billions of transactions, like 35 billion transactions happen on a regular basis, on a daily basis. So that's something, is a huge thing that's going on. And so we have released it, and we have sold over 112 of them already in 2 months. People collecting these because they see the potential value. So it's a win-win. You are not only part of the vision, touching humans in needs, but you're also investing on a noble cause asset class. There is another NFT collection that we have released. It's called the Dove Collection, more cost effective. It's going to be 2,000 color shades. That's the pricing that we have started with. I always promise once we hit 100 VOPs, VOIP NFTs, we're going to reset it to 5,000. So I'm going to hold on. By the beginning of the year, it's going to be reset to 5,000 because we already sold over 100 paintings. NFT Dove Collection, as soon as we hit the sell over 30, we have sold half of them. That also going to be resale doubles and doubles, because I'm here for all those collectors that believe in me. It's like a piece of land. There's a whole piece of land, and when there's a demand, price goes increase in value. That's kind of how I hope some of you can conceptualize. The merchandises is something that we're going to release in the future. Now, ultimately, half of all proceeds is going to go to charity. In order to get to peace is through unity. In order to practice unity is all those love-based attributes. So what more powerful than charity? That's what this brand is wanting in action to practice from the get-go, and we are doing tonight as well. We have a nonprofit that joining us to share this message. So mission statement number 3: build VOP centers and provide top programming and humanitarian efforts. This is ultimately what it's going to look like. I'm going to share a video that we actually created. I have one of my top architects joining the team and created this. This is what most potentially we're going to build it in Irvine. Great Park starting with. The King of Dubai had asked me to come and build it over there, but I said I want to start here first. The bottom of it is all those top